Hey guys, it's Sparky Perry here again. Welcome back to the channel, and this is the first part of my Firework stash for Bonfire Night 2021. Now everything you see here is leftovers from last year. So today I'm just going to go through these, and then I'll be getting new parts of the stash. Well, probably later on today really, when this is uploaded. So yeah, keep a lookout for part 2 and maybe a part 3 as well. So yeah, let's start with the leftovers from last year. So first we've got these, the Cracker Ball Iron Storm and the original Iron Storm, 200 shots each. Them two big ones there, the Maximum and the Wisdom, are from the Supremacy pack. So are these two, Sabini and Shelby. So I got them 4 left from last year's Supremacy pack. We was meant to let the Wisdom and the Maximum off for New Year, like 2020 into 2021, but because of the situation back then, we obviously couldn't. So we'll probably let them off on Bonfire Night this year. But if not, then it'll be New Year again. But we'll see about that. Next, we've got these 3: Snowflakes, Avalanche, Button Moon, and Immortal Jellyfish. Them are all, I think, 85.4 grams or 6. Oh no, 85.2 grams in each of them. I think there's 96 in there, and I think there's 94 in that one. Still got the Hocus Pocus combination fountain of mine there, and the huge Shazam fountain there, what goes several feet into the air. And next we've got this excellent 290 shot Barrage here. The missiles, and we've got another missile cake here, 150 shots. This one was from the Imperial selection box, because we still got some bits left over from the selection boxes as well. Like these cuckoo little fountains here, and these 3 fountains here as well. All of them are from the Imperial selection box last year, but this one's from the party selection box. Next we have these shot tubes, Big Bad Bang. 64.5 grams. And everyone knows these now, atom bombs. And we've still got this as well, which is I think it's the Bomb candle, which we got from Galactic Fireworks last year, and it takes a quick match to it. So we've still got that, and some port fires, and a few packs of sparklers as well. So yeah, that's pretty much all the leftovers from last year, what we've got left for this year. So we'll be letting most of this off on Bonfire Night, and like I says, maybe the Wisdom and Maximum as well. But if we don't set them off on Bonfire Night, we'll definitely set them off on New Year this year. Hopefully the situation will be a bit better this year. So yeah, and like I also said, after this video we'll be picking up new bits to add to the stash. Definitely need some rockets, because we ain't got no rockets left whatsoever, so we've got to pick some of them up. So yeah, just a quick one for now guys, and like I says, remember to look out for part 2 and maybe a part 3 as well in the coming next 2 weeks. So yeah, thanks for watching guys, and stay safe.